Namah Shivaya, Om Shwari Namaha. Today I, Chanja Akri from class 7A, going to explain about the chapter computer system. Uh, the chapter from computer. First we will learn about computer system. All the components together that are combined to form a computer system. The main components of computer cabinets are processor, motherboard, hard disk drive, power supply, and after that we are coming to the input devices. Input devices are the to store and execute programmed instructions. Some of the examples are drawing tablet, touch screen, MICR, the full form is magnetic ink character recognition. Now we are coming to output devices. An output device is used to uh, communicate the results or data processing carried out by CPU of our computer system, which converts the electronically generated information into hard copy. Some examples are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Now we are coming to storage devices. Storage devices can be divided into two parts, that first internal memory and second external memory. Internal memory, it means inside the computer, like the hard drive and RAM. And external memory, it means removable media like CDs or DVDs, external, and pen drives which are outside the computer. Now we are coming to primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It is divided into two parts. First is RAM, second is ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read only memory. Now we are coming to secondary memory. Secondary memory is the slowest and cheapest form of memory. The computer has a unit of measurement to calculate its storage capacity, and at last but not the least, software means computer instructions or data. Anything that can be stored electronically is software. So today we learned about what is computer system, input devices, output devices, storage devices, primary memory, secondary memory, and software devices. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.